Have you ever felt limited by mobility issues, struggling to move freely, worried about losing your independence, or feeling frustrated that every step feels like a challenge? For many people, walking aids are supposed to bring freedom, but instead they feel bulky, uncomfortable, and hard to maneuver. But what if I told you that there's a game-changing mobility solution that could help you walk with confidence and ease? Meet the Evolution Walker XPresso Lite series, a lightweight, sleek, and incredibly stable walker designed to help you move effortlessly and securely wherever you go. But what makes it so special? Stick around because we're breaking down exactly why this walker could be the best decision for your mobility and independence. If you or a loved one rely on a walker, you know the struggles. Clunky and heavy walkers that are hard to push, limited mobility on uneven surfaces, unstable frames that shake when turning, difficult to store and transport. Let's be real, your walker should be helping you move forward, not holding you back. And don't even get me started on trying to fit one of those clunky walkers into a car. You might as well be solving a Rubik's Cube, but here's the truth. Mobility issues shouldn't mean sacrificing independence. That's why choosing the right walker makes all the difference. So what makes the XPresso Lite series stand out from traditional walkers? Ultra lightweight and durable. Built with an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, this walker is both sturdy and easy to carry. Ergonomic and comfortable, features adjustable handles for a perfect fit, and a padded seat for rest breaks. Effortless maneuverability, smooth indoor and outdoor navigation with shock-absorbing wheels. Folds flat for easy storage. A one-hand folding system makes storing and transporting it super convenient. And just look at this motion, it glides like a dream. No wobbling, no struggling, just effortless walking. I've spoken to countless users who have made the switch to the XPresso Lite, and the feedback is incredible. Imagine walking with confidence again. No more struggling with doors, no more worrying about stability, just freedom to move, explore, and live life on your terms. So, is the Evolution Walker XPresso Lite worth it? Absolutely. Whether you need a daily mobility aid or just want to move with more ease and comfort, this walker is designed to support you every step of the way. Ready to experience the difference for yourself? Click the link in the description to order your Evolution Walker XPresso Lite today from Home Healthcare Shop. Your freedom, comfort, and independence are just one step away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how mobility solutions have helped you.